Hey everyone, Bobby B here, hope you're all well. It's my birthday today, 6th of June. There's about 30 minutes left of it before it's the 7th of June here in the UK anyway. And I need to get this skateboard opened. I don't know if any of you have been aware that I've got one of these Get a Grip signature skateboards. I managed to get hold of one as soon as I found out that John Pound was signing one. So I don't know if I've got the one I want. You know, I'd love any of them, but realistically I can't afford to buy this kind of stuff. So if it isn't the John Pound one, I am going to be disappointed. And that's not to say I'm disappointed getting any of the other boards. It's just I can't afford to be spending money on a skateboard with David Gross or Jay Simcoe or Tom Bunk's signature. Not that I wouldn't love them in my collection, and I mean I imagine it's going to have to be in my collection because I've bought it now, but genuinely it was a spur of the moment thing. As soon as I saw it was John Pound's signature, I thought I need. So please wish me luck. I know I've recorded this video, so it's technically already happened for me, but gosh, wish me luck. I'm hoping it's all sealed and it's actually legit. See, there's a hole there, so I don't know. If someone has searched it, then there's no chance I'm going to get a John Pound. Here goes nothing. Wish me luck, everyone. Gosh, no padding in there. That's kind of sucky, because it's come from America. It's just this in a box. No bubble wrap. That plays. Right. It is sealed. There is a hole in it, so someone could have searched it, I suppose. But gosh, wish me luck, man. I'm so nervous. Right, I'm just going to get some scissors and cut across the top, I suppose. Where's that hole? Whoo, fingers crossed. Okay, I'm going to try and do this. No way! I did it! I did it! Amazing. 40 or 50. No way! Amazing. That's stuck on there. Wow. John Pound Auto. I'm over the moon. That's the best birthday present ever. Thank you, me. Thank you for joining me. I'm over the moon. Brilliant. Excellent. Right. Thanks for watching. See ya.